you sinking in a sea of Kubernetes costs without a rescue boat in sight? Stay tuned as we uncover a tool that will allow you to not only track your Kubernetes expenses, but also unearth ways to save some serious cash. We'll be using Google Cloud for our hands-on demo, but these budget-saving principles are applicable universally across any Kubernetes environment. Conceptually, it's as straightforward as it sounds. We're starting with a Kubernetes environment of some kind. Let's picture a managed Kubernetes cluster, like on Google Kubernetes Engine. On this cluster, we're going to use Helm and install the Kubecost Analyzer. Kubecost is a great open source option for cost engineering. It offers you a crystal clear roadmap on how you can save some serious money. Without further ado, let's showcase this concept via the Google Cloud Console. We'll quickly create a cluster in case you don't have one handy but want to follow along. Specifically, we'll set up a standard cluster and stick to defaults. Though we do get an estimated monthly cost during this process, Kubecost will give us a far more detailed insights and recommendations, which we can continue to leverage throughout the lifecycle of this cluster. After waiting a bit for the cluster to create, we'll move on to our Helm-based Kubecost installation. For simplicity, we'll use the Cloud Shell. Being open source, we can simply open up the GitHub repo and follow the installation instructions. You will require the power of 3 CLIs, the gcloud CLI, the Helm CLI, and the kubectl CLI. Rest easy, our Cloud Shell environment is pre-installed with all 3. Let's authenticate with our cluster first, before the Helm installation commands. We'll stick with the free Kubecost option and exclude the Kubecost token Helm value, which is only used for the enterprise version. As you can see, we get a nice Kubernetes command to see our Kubecost reporting. We need to slightly tweak it though, to port forward to the 8080 port instead of the default 9090. This will enable us to use the Cloud Shell's web preview feature. If we quickly load the web page, the data will only have started to gather and may not be very sensible. However, if we wait a while and run a page refresh, we'll witness a more accurate and comprehensive view of our costs and possible savings, data that will continue to update as we continue to run Kubecost. The report may stir up exciting discoveries, ways to save money by perfectly sizing our cluster nodes, or even by optimizing our container requests. The system may also uncover opportunities like reserved instances. Since we haven't deployed anything onto this cluster, we mostly just have Kubernetes system workloads. However, in the later pages, we should spot some Kubecost namespace resources. We'll keep an eye on the comment section for any questions and want to thank you for watching. Please enjoy responsibly.